All right, here we got Mike Fishing Pro, world champion. So give us a little talk right now, brother.
Let's see if I'm gonna fall straight into the pond.
All right, good right there. All right, we got Junior 4.50.
Junior 4.
That 4.6.
So Junior, tell me about your day right now.
All right here we got some motherfucking power bait right here, you know. And we don't need no hooks. I mean, no. Nothing. We just need.
I will record, guys, but right now I just caught an alligator. Just think his cameras run on.
Damn it. See if I'm gonna fall straight into the pond.
Go! Bro, I can't believe I just caught you in 4K right there.
I caught the bass. I caught the bass.
Snap.
You know what I'm saying right here, bass pro fishing. Hold on.
Alright, buddies, it's another day. We were fishing with the homies and stuff like that. They caught a fish. Mike fell. Shit was hilarious. But today we're in the garage, as always, and I'm checking something out, bro. So, recently, I got these headlights off of OfferUp for 20 bucks, bro. Now, I do have the smoke ones right here. You see? Now, the smoke ones obviously look really nice, but I really do like the classic style, man. I don't know. Like I said, I've been thinking of repainting some things on my car. I may just go, you know, maybe yellow and black. I don't know, because I really do like the color a lot. Also, the reason why I'm getting rid of the smoked ones is due to these starting to peel off. Now, if you guys know, these headlights are notorious for peeling, leaks, you know, water gets in there, humidity gets in there, it starts like getting all foggy and stuff, and it sucks to start peeling. But you know, Sam, he wants some. If y'all know Sam's the one with the Cobra. We did a video about him, and he's willing to trade me his tail lights and some panels that go inside the door for these headlights. And I was like, dang, that's a pretty good deal. So these tail lights will be going away too. Now I'm gonna keep them, but I'm gonna get the stock ones where they're all red and they're not gonna be smoked. Now the reason I do want these taillights is because this one right here is broken from I mean, these are the ones that came with the car, but I do want some all red ones just to see how the car looks, man. I really do miss, you know, the stock style of the car, and I just want to experiment. I want to see how it looks like and stuff like that. So like I said, here's the stock, here's the aftermarket one, here's the stock one. I know most of y'all will probably sided with the aftermarket one, but I really do like the stock one. I'm gonna put these the two stock ones on right now, and let's see how they look like. Ooh, put on the lights on. I don't know about y'all, I like it. I know some of y'all gonna hate it, but it's part of the plan, brother. So what I'm thinking about doing is stock tail headlights, stock tail lights. I want to tint this front windshield, right? So I want basically almost everything dark. I forgot about that. And I don't know about the calipers yet, bro. I don't know if I'm gonna paint them red. I don't know if I'm gonna paint them yellow. I don't know. I'm not too sure. I'm still thinking about it. I know you guys comment a lot, but man, like, this is a color combination. Like, by the time I do it, bro, I'm not gonna do it again. This is like the last time I'm gonna change the color of this car when it comes to color combinations. So I don't know yet, but I like these. I still gotta go and trade these headlights with Sam, get the tail lights and the panels. All right, so we're in here. So in exchange, I'm getting these Steeda. What are they called again? The actual name? I just call them door. I call them door inserts.
Yeah.
These
The tail lights up there.
and tell us, God damn, son, what you gonna do? How you gonna get them hoes?
Got a ladder right here.
Oh, okay, I'm tripping. I thought you were about to climb that. I was ready to record you as well. Bro, what if you dropped that, boy?
These are Terminator tail lights.
Oh, damn.
So they're worth a little bit more, you know?
Yeah, no. These ain't no regular ones. It's like Cobra. Don't get the Cobra discount, though?
It's a Cobra discount.
Oh, shit. All right. So, let me get you your shit. I got homie these right here. So, goodbye to these. I know some of y'all gonna be mad at me, but it's just time for a change, brother. Right there's the only part. The other ones are perfect though. I don't think not. Oh snap. Bro, what if it cracked right now? Bro, would I have to tell Sam?
Look at my headlights real quick.
On the mug.
Shit. Maybe going green.
Bro, you pulled up looking like a Cholo from Los Angeles.
See, this is pretty much halfway gone.
Golly, boy. Damn, you put some sunscreen on
You
them
want to
hoes.
like send it down and clear coat it.
You should have. That's why I told you to come to my house, but
Right.
you want me to come all the way over here in this hot, scorching Sahara Desert sun.
Gravity, smoke, you know.
Bro, these things are so clean. Oh, god damn, hold up, bruh. That thing just impaled me. Yo, oh, heck yeah.
You could literally feel the car's lighter, dude. With all the seats taken out.
But with Sal in here, he gonna feel like he in a damn moped or something. All right, buddy, so we got the new taillights here. I'm back at home, and here we got the smoked ones. Now, these are a bit dusty, crusty, and for sure they must be musty, but my boy Sam, he hooked it up, man, so shout out to him. Now, what about these, bro, is that they are cracked, but they're smoked. Now, why I don't like them no more is because I don't know if it's my car, I don't know if it's other cars with smoked taillights, but usually when they're in the sun, they just look purple. And also when I take photos, it just doesn't concentrate that well because the whole car is murdered out, so I can't get like a color I can grasp. That way I can take like a very clear photo. So hopefully with this, it will, you know, obviously lighten up the car in the rear end. And honestly, I'm just done with smoke taillights, man. I really just don't like the purple-ish look of it. And you can kind of see it in the camera. Yeah, you can really see that purple look to it. I don't know why it looks like that. Maybe it's just because the black and red, it just, I don't know, mixing like that. But let's take these off, and I'll be quick. I'm just take these off, put these on. I'm gonna put one side each. That way you guys can see. So it'll be quick like this. Like that. So, I mean, I like it way better. I don't know about y'all. Maybe because I've been with these for so long, I just miss having just regular red taillight. Alright guys, so the Mustang is right here. It's all cleaned up. There are some water spots, but you really won't see it at night. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to drive to that 7-Eleven that I've been wanting to take a photo shoot at. And the reason why I deleted all my photos was due to the fact that I just didn't like any of my photos, bro. I didn't feel like I was trying. I didn't feel like I tried when I was taking pics, when I'm taking videos on YouTube. Honestly, I feel like I want to give my best work. I like quality over quantity. So instead, I'm going to be working on my photos more and my videos. I know this vlog is kind of like messy here and there, but from now on, obviously I'm going to work on way deeper on my pics and way deeper on my videos. So let's get to this. Alright, Brody, so here we are. Mustang's out here ready to go to take some photos at 7-Eleven, and look at it, bro. It's I just like the headlights just because I can see now. Like, look how clear they are. When they had the smoked ones, you cannot see nothing. You can check my older videos for that. And let's see the taillights real quick. Oh yes, they're bright as hell. So ready to go. It's all shined up. We're gonna take it to 7-Eleven, take some dope pics. And for the people who don't know, the reason why I want to take pics there so bad, check out my Instagram so you can see the full details as to why I'm doing so, you know, taking pics over there. And yeah, you'll just get the whole story from there, guys. So let's get to it. Yes sir, so here we are. I'm gonna take some quick pics as soon as possible before anybody gets here and starts parking next to me. So let's get to it. All right, Brody, so finally the Mustang is in the garage. I took the photo at 7-Eleven. I really liked it, and you guys can check it out at my Instagram at DannyThe2V. Now we got the taillights on, and they are very visible at night, obviously not being smoked anymore. And with my headlights, I can finally see at night, bro. Now, other than looking cool, I also do want to see at night. So finally, I got these headlights helping me out at night. The ambers look really cool when I have my lights on, and just overall, man, I'm really happy how the car looks now with the stock tail lights and the stock headlights. Also, I did get these inserts on my car. They're a bit dirty actually because yeah, boy was driving in the rain, but yeah, those inserts are really dope. These are the Cobra ones actually. These they're different from the GT ones. You can check that out in one of my old videos I did. And I did install the Steeda sills in here. They look really nice. Now, the thing is, they are scratched up. I think Sam thought this was a lottery ticket. He scratched these things up like a dang newborn kitten. So we gotta definitely polish those up. I'm gonna leave that for a different video because I haven't done the other side. I still gotta, you know, put some double-sided tape on here, polish it up, make it look clean. But really, guys, I'm happy with the car looks. The photo looks really dope. I can't wait for you guys to see it. Well, by the time this video is up, you guys will be able to see it. Again, guys, I appreciate you guys so much for liking it up, subscribing to my channel, and showing love. Let's hit this video with, let's say, 30 likes. Let's hit this video with 30 likes. I really appreciate you guys. Thank you so much, and catch me until the next time, buddies.